Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and murmuring streams, there lived a man named Koji. Koji was an ordinary soul with an extraordinary heart, and he aspired to discover the secret of gaining both respect and love in life. One day, Koji set out on a journey to seek the wisdom of a renowned Zen master who resided atop a distant mountain. The path to the master's abode was treacherous, winding through dense forests and steep cliffs. Undeterred, Koji took each step with purpose, guided by the desire to unlock the mysteries of respect and love. After days of travel, Koji finally reached the mountain's summit, where the Zen master awaited him. The master, an old sage with twinkling eyes that held the wisdom of ages, welcomed Koji with a serene smile. "Master," Koji began, "I seek to understand the essence of respect and love. How can one attain them in this journey of life?" The master gestured for Koji to sit beside him, and a profound silence enveloped them. After a while, the master spoke in a gentle yet powerful voice. "Respect and love are like the wind that whispers through the trees and the river that flows with unwavering purpose. To attain them, one must first cultivate a garden within the self." Intrigued, Koji listened intently as the master continued, "In your heart's garden, plant the seeds of kindness, empathy, and compassion. Water them with understanding and patience. Just as a gardener tends to the soil, nurture the qualities that make you a beacon of light in the lives of others." Koji took the master's words to heart and embarked on the journey of self-discovery. He delved into the recesses of his being, weeding out negativity and sowing seeds of positivity. As he nurtured the garden within, a transformation began to unfold. One day, while Koji was walking through a nearby village, he encountered a weary traveler. Instead of passing by, Koji offered a warm smile and a helping hand. The traveler, touched by Koji's kindness, expressed gratitude and respect for the unexpected act of compassion. Word of Koji's benevolence spread like wildfire, reaching the farthest corners of the village. People began to seek his counsel, and his reputation as a wise and compassionate soul grew. Respect, it seemed, was the natural byproduct of Koji's selfless actions. Yet, Koji remained humble, recognizing that love was the deeper essence he sought. He returned to the Zen master to seek further guidance. The master welcomed Koji once again and said, "Love is the fragrance that emanates from your heart's garden. As you tend to the blossoms of kindness and compassion, love will naturally permeate your being and touch the lives of those around you." With newfound understanding, Koji continued his journey, now fueled by a profound love that radiated from within. His actions spoke louder than words, and his presence became a source of comfort and inspiration for those who crossed his path. In the twilight of his years, Koji reflected on his journey. The respect he had earned was a reflection of the kindness he had sown, and the love he experienced was the blossoming of a heart that had learned to give without expecting in return. As the sun dipped below the horizon, Koji sat in quiet contemplation, grateful for the wisdom he had gained. In the simplicity of his existence, he had discovered the profound truth that respect and love were not to be chased but cultivated within, like a garden that flourishes and blooms, enriching the world with its beauty. Thanks for watching.